Weekly update. Got some new exciting stuff for you guys. First off, we'll start with Alan's F100 build. Look at that. Link boxes are all in, Y-frames in, bulkheads about probably 90% done. And these arms came out awesome. This is the upper arm, it's fully assembled. I don't have the Heims in that end though yet, but came out beautiful. This looks amazing. Goes in and out of the fixture still, just like it should. We've been waiting for this one for a while. Super excited. PSS freaking steering box. This is the F100 steering box. This is the same one that Mason Motorsports runs in their four-wheel drive trophy trucks. And that's what we're going to use in this. It is huge. It is nice and it is expensive. And we got the billet pump too. Nice stuff here. This is beautiful work done. So thanks to Charlie over at PSS for getting me that stuff, and can't wait to test it. I know it's going to work, so I don't really need to test it. Now, some of you guys have been watching very long. This is back. Mike Williams, our buddy that races Nora, good friend. He's an awesome guy, and also a guy I would never want to mess with. He is big and scary. But this is his Blazer, which I'm sure you guys have heard this thing before, but it is a rowdy machine. It is awesome. He has a blast with this. He has, he's got some carnage here from one of the Nora races. They had to do on the side of the road in the middle of Baja repair, and it worked. It's not the prettiest, but you know what? It made it to the finish line. So we're gonna fix that up, add a few more tubes up in there, and get that straightened up, and a few little other things here and there, and I'll go back to Mike for having some fun. By the way, this thing has over 500 horsepower. It's rowdy. And then Gary's Ranger. We got mini fenders are just about finalized on where we're putting the holes are at. That's on. The hood scoop's on because as we talked before, we had to cut a clearance out for it. So we made this custom hood scoop and it retains from the bottom. And we'll do flush mounted rivets up here. So you'll never even see any of the fasteners or hardware. It'll just look like it was supposed to be there. I'm really happy with that scoop. It'll help a lot, especially because he has an air cleaner that's mounted on top of the engine. You're going to get an enormous amount of good, clean air through here. This is a pre-runner, not a race truck, so it's not going to be in dust all that often. Came out really good. We're getting close to this one. We just got to nail down if we're going to do a fabricated bumper or a tube bumper and button this thing up. Otherwise, for the fun one, my other piece of equipment is here, and John is here. So let's go across the street, check it out. All right, finally the machines are all here. As you can see now, we have a 5-foot by 10-foot 6 kW fiber laser with a 20-foot tube attachment. So I can cut up to 8-inch round, 6-inch square, angle, rectangle tubing, basically everything. Really excited about that. Just got it unloaded. I got the machine leveled. They're gonna do the final setup in the next week and a half to attach the tube side and then do a final level on the machine, put all the rest of the gantry stuff on because the head comes over and cuts the tube, and then do the final setup on the press brake and training, which I'm super excited for because we have a lot of parts for that F100 that need to be done, and I'm excited. But I think that's all we got right now. These next few weeks are going to be very busy. Once these things are going, we'll get you guys another video of how they kind of operate and stuff like that. And bend some parts and cut some parts. Something new to see instead of just me walking around talking like I know what I'm talking about. See you guys next week.